Hello, how are you today? Okay, I'm happy for you. Let's talk about birds. Now, what birds can you see on the street when you walk? It can be a dove, a pigeon. There is a soap dove. Soap dove. Have you ever heard the soap dove? Yes, I have. A titmouse. I think you heard this word mouse. For example, Mickey Mouse. Let's read together. Repeat after me. A titmouse. A titmouse. Okay, very good. A bullfinch. A bullfinch. A bullfinch. A crow. A crow. A crow. A magpie. A magpie. A magpie. A sparrow. A sparrow. A sparrow. For example, Jack Sparrow. Jack воробей. Let's read together. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. Sometimes birds fly to our balcony. A titmouse. This is a bird with a yellow breast. One titmouse flies on the balcony, back and forth. What to do? We are just watching the titmouse. The bird flies and says, "Tweet, tweet, 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 tweet," and this titmouse does not know how to fly away. Behind the glass of the balcony other titmice appear and say, "Tweet, tweet, 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 tweet." Okay, tweet, 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 like this, I think. One bird on the balcony and another bird opposite her, behind the glass, and they are talking to each other. Tweet, 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 tweet. The titmouse on the balcony understands how to fly away and flies away, and they both enjoy flight and freedom. Thank you. And tell me please about birds. Do you like to watch birds, to feed birds, bread or grain? I like to watch birds and I like to feed birds if I have something for birds, for them. Thank you.